I couldn't give you the time you needed because I was... Well, it's because I was going out. I couldn't. I know. Don't be sad. I couldn't give you the time this morning because I was in a rush to go out, right? Were you angry with me? Huh? Were you angry I didn't give you the time? I'm sorry. Are you feeling okay now? I'm back. I'm back and I'm giving you all the time. Mwah. Hi, babies. I'm not, baby. Are you feeling okay now? Feeling okay? I'm sorry. I couldn't give you the time. You okay now? Are you okay now? You okay now or no? Oh, you like that, don't you? You like that little scritch, scritch, scritch? Yeah. Yes. You like it? I love you. Mwah. Mwah. Mwah.